The PowerProbe 3S is our most popular tool, now made easy. We've taken the original PowerProbe 3 and made it easier to use with a larger LCD display and ergonomic body. The PowerProbe 3S still has the ability to power up and diagnose circuits, test relays, motors, lights, and fans on or off the vehicle, also test charging system operation and catch voltage drops or spikes. We've added a larger display that makes it easier to see your results, all through a simplified mode screen and menu system. Change and toggle through testing modes with easy one-touch operation. A new inverted screen feature rotates the screen 180 degrees for easy viewing with the tool upside down. The PowerProbe 3S, along with all PowerProbe Tech products, come with lifetime technical support for any of your diagnosing needs.